Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2018 Mercedes GLC 300, and I'm going to show you how to gain access to the engine bay by opening the hood so that you can do any work you may need to inside there. So to start with, we need to unlock the door, and we open up the driver's door and open the latch there. So coming from the driver's door, we have right down here, we have our OBD2 port connection, but we also have our hood latch here, which is this red lever. And then, so right above where your left foot would be, and you pull that lever, we hear the click up front, meaning that the springs have popped the hood up, and now we can go and open the hood more. So coming around front here, just to the left of the emblem as you're looking at it, is pull the hood up a little bit, and there's a little lever right here. We just pull that, and that unlocks the secondary safety latch. And then you just be able to raise your hood up, and so now you can do work inside the engine bay, checking your fluids and things like that. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.